Hello guys. This is Mr. Monicale TV. Today I'm going to show you a way on how to make money online. So today we are going to talk about this website that is called getpayto.com. Just type in getpayto.com or use the link in the description. Click on the link in the description and it will take you to getpayto.com, and you enter your email and your password, and you verify they will send you a verification email and you verify it, and that is all. You start making your money. How do you make your money? You answer question, you watch video, you take survey, you shop online, you get cash back, you do a lot of things on this website getpayto. So let me log in and show you around the website. So I have my account already, but if you don't have yours, you just have to click on join that you are seeing here. As you can see, look, my mask, you can see I'm moving my mask. Click on join. If you don't have getpayto account, you enter your email, username, password, and select your currency, the currency your country is using. Is it euro or dollar, or is it other country currency? So select your currency, and you click on join free, and click on the agreement and click on yes if you want them to be sending you emails and all those. No, you don't want to be missing their newsletter, you can click here, say okay, thanks, and they will be sending you yes, thanks, and they will be sending you email every time they have new things in getpayto. So let me log in. I'm sorry about that, my internet is slow, so please. Okay, as you can see, it's logging in now. I've entered my email and my password. Like I enter a wrong password. Sorry about that. So it's logging in now. Sorry about that because of my internet connection. So how do you make money? Like I told you before, you have to make money in this way. You have to take survey. You have to take survey, or you have to watch video, or you answer question, or play game, or download. You can see popular games. You can play game. Any game you select here, you can play them, and you get paid by doing that. They pay you by points, and you turn them into cash. And that either you get paid by PayPal, or you get paid by Amazon or Visa. So I will show you the payment the type of way you can get paid. I will show you. So those are the retail app that you can shop. If you shop in GetStop, GameStop, you will get a 3% cashback, and so let go, and new age. So that is it. And there's a lot of website you can shop by Amazon, you can shop by eBay, a lot of company that you can shop on. You get paid once you set up the cashback information. You have to install something on your Chrome browser. I will show you how to install it at the middle of this video. So you get paid by Popular Point app. Again, you get paid taking survey. Here you can watch video. Like I told you, you can watch video and get paid, and you can refer your friend to and get paid. So don't forget to use the link in the description. So right now I'm going to show you how you can get paid by retail. First, you just have to install this Chrome browser. You have to install this on your Chrome browser. So it will tell you, it will ask you to download the Chrome extension. All you just need to do how to download the Chrome extension. So let us follow the process. Sorry about my internet connection, so let's go slowly so that you will go to the Chrome extension. So now, as you can see, we are going to Chrome extension. It's going to our Chrome extension, and we are going to install this get pay extension on our Chrome browser. So first, all you just have to do, you have to install it on your Chrome browser. So as you can see now, I'm logging in, I'm installing it. So it's installing right now, so we have to wait and give it some time to install. So as you can see, say add extension, you can add it, and as you can see, it will pop up at this sidebar. You watch my mask, it will pop up here, because once you have installed, you will see our get paid extension at the up of this. You will see it at the top sidebar, right hand sidebar. So you can see right hand sidebar of our Chrome browser. So if you want to shop, all you just need to do is to activate the Chrome sidebar get paid extension at this side, and once you activate it, it will tell you that it's activated. Then you can shop and you get paid by doing that. As you can see now, here is the extension. We just installed the extension. Now you see it on the Chrome browser, as you see it at the side. So you can install it on your Chrome browser. As you can see, it's here right now. So we are going back now to our get paid website. So let's wait and see it load. So as you can see, we are back again on our website getpaid.com. So now you can redeem. Let's go to the redeem session. We take you guys around, and if you have a question, you have something you want to know about get paid, so don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, so that I will answer you. Or if you need a help, you can contact us on Mr. Monicale TV on Instagram, or you can contact us on MKTV on our Facebook page. Follow us, like us, so that every time we shoot a video or we have update that is coming, you will get a notification. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that we will be able to get in touch with you every time you have a problem while you are making money online. So we have a lot terms on where we are making money online. So let's talk about this particular application first. So we are in the redeem session. It's a redeem point. You can redeem your point. 500 point is $1. So as you can see, it's a lot of money. You didn't do anything, just this to answer a question, you get paid. Look at what it is saying here. Say redeem points. It say it is time to get your hand on your hard-earned reward. Simple. Choose from one of the three options to redeem point online. Select from a cash transfer, gift card, or grab a cashback boost, which makes your point 50% more value. So they are talking about the way you redeem. You can redeem your point. You can use it either by boosting your earning, so that it's like you will not invest. When they are talking about boosting, it's like you are investing money. You give them, you load them the point, and you get paid cash back 50% of your loan. So that is it. And you can boost, you can do the cashback boost, or you can cash out by paper, or you can purchase a gift card. So that is it. That is how you can get paid. You can get paid by paper, or you boost and get cashback, 50% cashback, or you can get the purchase by paper, uk.com, or you can get it from amazon.com or paypal.com or amazon.com. Depends on you. So that one depends on you. If you have your point, how you can redeem your point. So as you can see, I have 401 and 65 and 67 points. Sorry about that. 401 and 67 points. So that is how far I've gone. And yeah, if you want to take your survey, you just need to click on N. And once you click on N, you will see a survey. It says surveys, video, app, task, and a lot of way you can refer to. So let's click on survey, and you will see, like I've showed you from the beginning, how you can get survey. So let's see, the survey is going to show. So as you can see right now, it's going to show some survey, and we'll see the survey they have for us to do. So we are not going to do survey. So I know that this video have helped a lot of you out. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Instagram MKTV, and like us too on Facebook MKTV. And thank you very much. This is Mr. Monicale TV, and we are here for you to make sure you are successful in all the things you are looking for on YouTube and on our YouTube channel. You are looking for something, leave a comment. If you want us to make a video about something, leave it in the comment. I will make the video and make sure I send you the link in the comment, and you watch it and you will be okay. I promise you that everything you need, make sure you ask on the comment section, and we'll find a way to help you out. So thank you very much, guys. This is Mr. Monicale TV, like you already know. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that icon every time we shoot a video, so that you get a notification about our upcoming video, and get a notification of the video we just made, a way on how to make money. So thank you very much, guys. I want to kick it out. This is Mr. Monicale TV, and see you again on how to make money online, and see you on top. I wish you all success in this website, Get Paid To. I have made a some video about Get Paid To. So if you have not gotten the video, this is the right chance for you to take action and start making money. Use the link in the description, and start making money. So thank you very much, guys. Peace out. Bye bye.